Happy birthday, Wild Steven. Ikaw ang aming happiness. 12 years old ka na ngayon. God bless you with success. Wild Steven Nak, we love you so much. From mommy, daddy and your brothers, lagi kaming nandito para sa'yo. We promise to guide you, to support you, and to help you reach your dreams. From your brothers, mommy and daddy, mahal ka namin sobra. We'll always cheer and support you. Sa dreams mo, kasama ka, hindi ka nag-isa, anak. Nandito ang buong pamilya. Wild family, Villanueva, Nelas Labrador, Apart, Medinatan, Pumanlag at Tambakan. Lahat kami proud na proud sa'yo. Keep on dreaming, keep believing. Future mo ay bright and true. With faith in God and determination, we'll always be so proud of you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. We love you and we miss you.
Hi Stephen, happy birthday! Hopefully ma-enjoy mo yung day mo. May God always bless you with good health and happiness. Ingat palagi and enjoy!
Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. I love you. Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. Happy birthday, Kuya Stephen. I love you.
Happy birthday, champion!
Mag-aral ka mabuti.
Yeah.
Aral ka maging mabait.
Yeah. Ikaw na maging champion sa badminton. Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Stephen, and many more birthday to come. And God bless you always. Magpakabait ka kay daddy at mommy. Aral ka na mabuti. Miss you. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya Tipen. Ikaw ay 12 years old na. Parang kahapon lamang nung one time umuwi ako sa Pinas. Maybe at that time, 2 or 3 or 4 years old ka. At tayo namasyal sa mall. Sabi mo, Mama Lola, gusto kong ang bike na biyak. Ako naman, napaisip kung anong ibig sabihin ni Tipen at that time. At hinila niya ako doon sa mga bike at itinuro ang isang bike na maliit na itim. Napatawa ang Mama Lola. You made my day, Tipen, at that time. Anyways, Tipen, ikaw ay malambing at thoughtful. Pagpatuloy mo ang ganyan hanggang sa iyong pagtanda. Mama Lola miss you and always love you.